it is going. You know why you so worry because of your life. You so you try to somebody you try to tell me you cry for it is okay. You try to do anything. You try to do many things of your life. I try, you try to try. You suffer for your life. I want to see the love for you. You can picture your father, picture your mother, picture from where you from. I know I do respect. You don't know what is gonna allow you. You make your life, it become this real. I do tell the truth for you. Oh, why you went to provide for your wife. What is gonna